The MVP problem has now been taken care of.
But the Viper wants. Oh, that's it.
This has got to be over.
Yes, sir, Daddy, it's time.
3, and that's it.
And Orton on the outside of the ring.
This is the consequence of having a furious Bobby Lashley.
Oh, God.
He doesn't quit.
Riddle is out cold. What a display of power by the Almighty.
Oh, guys! It's happening!